Let's talk about the features and benefits of Philips CoreLine Malaga LED. It saves up to 50% energy compared to conventional lighting with an efficacy of up to 118 lumen watts. It comes in two sizes with a robust design. The housing is made of corrosion-resistant die-casting aluminum and toughened flat glass as cover that delivers IP65 and IK08. The rest of components are of high quality, like the titanium driver and the LED light engine. The optics deliver a light distribution medium to cover more applications. It is available in electrical safety class 1 or 2 and has a surge protection of 4 kV. CoreLine Malaga offers up to 9,000 lumen for one-to-one replacement of conventional lighting. It comes in 4000 Kelvin and is non-dimmable. For a good performance, we recommend installation from 3.5 to 8 meters, depending on the size and lumen output. In addition, you can benefit of the service tag QR code for simplified maintenance. Thanks to its low weight and extended length, the luminaire does not need to be opened for installation, that is prepared for child entry. Just connect the cables and fix the gland accordingly. As a plus, CoreLine Malaga LED has the NEC mark. Thanks for watching.